Hi everyone, Ravi this side. Welcome to Engineering Adda. Today in this video, we are going to discuss one of the Leet code array question, which is question number 1051, which says height checker. So what this question is and how we can solve it out, everything we are going to discuss in this video. So let me try to come out of this slide and go to the Leet code and go to this particular problem, and we'll try to read out the question first. We'll get the understanding of the question, what it is asking for, and then we'll try to think for the solution, and then we'll develop the solution. So this is what we are going to do. Now let me try to come out of it and go to this question here. So you can see I am on the Leet code, and this is the question that I am going to solve. So if you don't find this question, what you can do is you can go to this Leet code under the tag array, and there you'll find all the question related to the array here. And you can go to this particular question, which is question number 1051, and this says height checker. I already have opened it out here. So this is what we are going to solve it. Now it says height checker. Okay, so let me try to read out this question for you so that you will get the better understanding of it, and then we'll try to solve it out. So it says a school is trying to take an annual photo of all the students. Okay, now students are asked to stand in single file line in non-decreasing order by height. So to take the annual photo, the students are asked to form a single file line, and that line should be in increasing order. It should be in non-decreasing order by the height of the student. Okay, let this ordering be represented by the integers array expected. Okay, so when the students are aligned in the increasing order of their height, then we are representing this as a expected, and those things we are counting in the expected array, where expected I is the expected height of the ith student in the line. Okay, now we don't have this expected array given. We are given the height array. So you are given an integer array height representing the current order of the students are standing in. So we don't have the expected, we have the height array which says or which represent the current order of the student is standing. Each height I is the height of the ith student in the line. It starts with the 0 index. Okay, so we have the height array, and now we also get the understanding of what expected is. Now what we have to do is we have to return the number of indices where height I is not equal to expected I. So whenever there is a mismatch, we have to count it out and then return it out. That is what we have to do. So it's a very simple thing. Now if you'll go to the example first, what you can say that here we have the height array, and it says 1 1 4 2 1 3, which we can say that it is not in the increasing order of the height. The expected would be 1 1 1 2 3 and 4, right? So you can see that here in the explanation, you can see the height is this, expected is this. Now if we'll try to compare this out, you can see for the first one it is okay, for the second one also it is okay, but for the third one it is not equal, right? That means we have to create a count and then increase the count when it is not equal. So this is the one case, and the fourth one is also equal, which is good. Now the fifth and sixth are also not equal. That means we have the 3 count where there is a mismatch, right? And that what we have to return, and that is what the output is. So it is a very simple, I think. So we can solve it out. So what we are going to do is we are going to create an expected array. We'll try to keep all the elements of the height in the expected array. We'll try to sort that expected array in increasing order, and then we'll try to match the height and expected array. And wherever there is a mismatch, we'll try to increase the count and we'll return that count. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Now let me try to first create that array here. So let's say int exp equal to new int, and it would be heights dot length. Okay, now we have this. Now what we can do is we can iterate through the height dot length and then I plus plus, we are just going to simply keep this thing into the expected array. So xpi equal to height I. Now we have all the element of the height in the expected array. Now what we are doing is we are going to sort this expected array in the increasing order. So array dot sort and pass this exp, so it will be sorted. Now again create a for loop, int I equal to 0. You can copy this out, and here let me try to create one answer here. So int answer equal to 0, and here you can say what we are going to do is we are going to match. If there is a mismatch, then we are going to increase the count here. So that is the answer. Okay, so if it is a not equal, what we are doing is we are increasing the count, and I think we are good. Here let me try to come out of it and then simply return this answer here. Try to run this out and then see. So okay, it should be array. And all the cases are accepted. Now submit it out. And it says it took only 2 milliseconds and it beats around 90% of the solution. So this is how you can solve it out. So this is about the video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel for more such content. Thanks.